If you want to learn how to cook the best damn potato boat on the internet, make sure you watch this whole video. Subscribe to my channel. All right, I got the RT1250 sitting right behind me, sitting at about 400 degrees. I've got 4 washed potatoes here. All I'm gonna do is gonna put them on a wire rack, season them with a little bit of super coarse salt, and I'm gonna put them inside the RT1250, burning the ultimate blend pellets. I'm gonna check them after 30 minutes. I want them to be al dente, almost done. That way we can cut them half, scoop out the insides, and fill them full of some goodness. We'll be back in about 30 minutes. Now, these things are like lava. They're super, super hot. So I've got some of these insulated gloves. You guys can check these out. I have a link in the bio of this video. Make sure you check it out. If you have any questions, comments, put them in the comment section down below. I will be monitoring that. Let me know what you want to see me cook as well, okay? All right, so I'm insulated, double bagged right here. I'm good to go. Now, if you didn't have these gloves, you would just want to wait and let these cool down, okay? All right, so we've got 4 here. It's gonna make 8 potato boats. Take our knife, super sharp knife, just cut all of these right down the center, okay? Next thing that we'll do, take a spoon, and we will get out the majority of this potato meat. You guys can turn this into twice baked potatoes, mashed potatoes. That's why I'm keeping it. That's why I got a bowl here. And all we're gonna do is scoop out all of this potato meat. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Don't overthink it. All right, now we're ready to get these bad boys stuffed. You can stuff them with anything you like. This was just something easy, stuff that we had in the refrigerator already. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Don't overthink it. I got some freshly shaven Colby Jack cheese. You want to make sure you shave your cheese yourself. That way it melts and gets a great ooey gooey texture. You want to make sure that you get nice ooey gooey cheese. And just stuff that crevice full of this cheese. You guys can, cream cheese would be awesome in this. Let me know what you would put in the comment section down below. But just stuff that crevice. I'm gonna leave these 2 without cheese because I got something special for those. All right, then we've got some bacon, some freshly smoked bacon off of the RT1250. If you want to check out how to cook this bacon, check out that awesome video I have on my YouTube channel you're watching right now. Just the easiest and best way to cook bacon in your pellet grill. All right, we stuffed it full of that bacon too, okay? Now, what I'm gonna stuff these with is some leftover pulled pork that we had. We had a couple pork butts we cooked. You guys want to check out how to cook a pork butt? Check out those videos as well. We'll just stuff that crevice full of that pork butt. Put a little bit of cheese. I'm not a huge fan of barbecue and cheese, but for this application, we're good to go. Sprinkle just a little bit more on top. I hit it with a little bit of that Rasa Ruski's honey rib rub. And these are gonna go on the RT340 at 400 degrees. I just have another pellet grill behind me. Shout out to recteq for hooking it up. But these are gonna go in the RT340 at 400 degrees. They can go in any grill at 400 degrees. We're gonna let them go in there for about 15 minutes. All right, so it's only been about 7 minutes and we are actually ready. I said about 10 minutes earlier, but it's only been about 7 minutes to melt that cheese. Get those flavors to know one another. Check it out, Sherpo. These things look beautiful. And again, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Not hard at all, ladies and gentlemen. But these, what is it, 6 are just normal potato boats loaded with cheese and bacon, and then these 2 bad boys have pulled pork in them, okay? Scoot that up a little bit. We got some beautiful green onions that we can put on top in here too. Okay. Don't be afraid of that stuff right there. Just add some good depth of flavor. Put a little bit more. That Rasa Ruski's honey rib rub on all of them. Hit them with some of this crema, equal parts mayonnaise and sour cream. And for the barbecue ones, of course, we got some barbecue sauce. For those, I like a little bit of cilantro. That's my go-to for barbecue garnish. Just love the flavor. Look at that. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. All you have to do is subscribe, hit that red rectangle, okay? Subscribe to my channel, watch all the videos, and make sure you check out all of the amazing products at recteq.com. Thank you so much. I'm Jody Flanagan, BBQ Dad. We love you, we thank you, and we'll see ya.